murabona uriya mu mama hariya, uriya mu mama nanga kubona umumama asabiriza, nanga kubona, kandi tubacaho buri gihe. Nyuma y'ibyo byose tukita ngo turaba Kristo. Murabizi ko ijambo ry'Imana riratukangurira cyane ku rukundo, na Yesu ubwe wenyine yaravuze yuko ngo mbasigiye itegeko riruta ayandi yose ari ryo gukundana. Ubwo rero icyo nashaka mbabwire, ari kenshi tujye tuvuga ngo utanga ngo na kuboko kw'ibumoso ni gutanga kw'iburyo ni ubimenye n'ibindi byavuze muri Bibiliya. Yesu yarabwiraga abafarisayo, murabizi ko mu masinagoge yabo bakundaga kwirata iyo batanze bakazamura amafaranga. Ntago ari uko bimeze anga. Reka banze tubafashe uyu mama, reka tufashe uyu mama kwanza, tumubaze icyo keneye, turebe icyo tumufasha. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Here's some money.
Oh, thank you. Bless you. Bless your little pea-picking heart. Thank you.
Namubwiye ko nakunze umushatsi we, arambwira ngo arifuza kongera gushiramo irindi bara ry'ubururu, ariko nk'uko mubibona yari afite ikibazo cyo kuguma hamwe kubera ko yababaraga. Namubajije uko byagenze, arambwira ngo arimo kubabara mu itako.
My hip hurts.
Your hip hurt?
My hip hurts.
Oh.
Bless you.
I'm gonna add more money.
More money? Oh, she can't have two.
Where do you live?
I'm up here with these dudes over here working.
Oh, you work here?
Well, I come with them because I have nothing better to do with the house. And they get to where they stay up here all day, all night working on that shit. And my boyfriend stays with his daughter, and she's a holy terror.
You mean your boyfriend?
He's got...
What's the name of your boyfriend?
Yambwiye ko afite boyfriend we cyangwa inshuti y'umugabo, arambwira n'izina rye, ariko yambwiye ko adakora, nta kintu akora.
Where?
Slayton High School.
Ubwo uko twagendaga tuganira, yambwiye ko yize yarangije na segondere, akanahambwira ko buryo twaje guhuza ahantu, kuko ahantu yambwiraga ni kure n'ahangaha dutuye, ariko ndahazi. Mubwira n'ahantu twatuye, arambwira ko yigeze kuhaba, ngo hariho na nyirasenge wahabaga. Nyuma yaje kumbwira ko aranzi, ngo yarambonye ahangaha muri uyu mujyi. Nanjye ndamubwira kuko ari abantu benshi batangiye kumenya, ngenda mu masoko abantu bakamenya, kuko nkunda gukora amavideo cyane cyane mu bintu by'ubumuntu no gukangurira abantu kugira ubumuntu. Ngenda mfasha abantu uko nshoboye.
Do you have kids?
Huh?
You have kids?
Yeah, I've got kids that are grown.
Oh yeah, you do have how many?
Two. I've got a 24-year-old and 23-year-old. No, 25 and 24.
Wow.
And 3 grandbabies.
Right. I saw you struggling.
Ubwo rero mubajije uko ameze, arambwira ngo ahangaha ku itako n'ukuri arimo kunyica cyane.
Thing over here hurts. It's got arthritis in it.
Oh. Did you eat?
Ikintu cyankoze ku mutima ni igihe namubajije nimba yigeze arya, arambwira ngo uyu munsi wose ntabwo yigeze arya, aheruka kurya ejo hashize.
I like hamburgers, french fries, I like A&W cream soda.
Let me go and bring you food, right? You say hamburger? And I will find you here.
Nafashe gahunda yo kujya kumuzanira amafunguro, kuyagura hafi hariya nkayamuzanira. Yambwiye ngo uransanga hano. Rero nahise ngenda. Bavandimwe, n'ukuri ntago bijya bisaba umuntu ko yaba afite ubutunzi bukomeye, kuko ubutunzi bwa mbere buri mu mutima. Twese dushobora kugira iyo dukora gitoya kigaragariza ubumuntu abantu batishoboye cyangwa bameze nabi. Rero nahise muzanira amafunguro.
You don't have to save. You don't have a pocket where you can save that money.
No, I don't. I don't have any pockets or nothing. I checked earlier.
gusa naje kubona ko n'amafaranga namuhaye arimo kubura ahantu yashyira, yashaka kuyashyira muri soutien na soutien afite, akahangayika akabura aho yayashyira, rimwe na rimwe akibagirwa akayamereza, kandi aguma no kurya. Byankoze ku mutima, ariko nibuka ko twabikaga amafaranga muri mu masogisi, naje kumugira iyo nama ndanamufasha.
I don't need that money, that's yours.
Okay.
I give it up to you. And the drink too. How do you like it?
Hari ikintu njya nibaza, iyi si iramutse ibaye isi yuzuyemo urukundo, aho dukundana, aho tugirana ubuntu, yaba isi imeze gute? Hari igihe njya numva yuko ko turamutse tugize urukundo, tugakunda abantu, tugakuraho ubwoba, tugakunda abatishoboye, tukababa hafi, tugakundana hagati yacu, tukanikunda, kuko akenshi usanga impamvu tudakunda abantu nk'aba ngaba, abantu batishoboye, nuko natwe ubwacu ntabwo tuba twikunze, kuko imitima yacu iba yuzuyemo ubwoba bwo gutakaza, ubwoba bwo gutanga. Nidutanga turabura, nidutanga hari akantu kari bugabanuke. Ariko nukuri muribuka muri Matayo 25 muhereye kuri 36, muribuka ko umwami wacu Yesu Kristo yadukanguriye urukundo. Muribuka ko wenyine ari urukundo. Ari ikintu dushobora gukora, kirahari, buri umuntu uko yishoboye uciye ku ruhande rw'umuntu. Murabizi neza yuko ko muri Migani 19:17 nabyo barabidukangurira, baravuga ngo ufashe umukene abagurije Imana. Nuko rero bavandimwe, ukuri twese dushobora kugira ikintu kimwe. Reka turangize n'ikiganiro kwanza mbere n'uyu mumama Sheri gatoya, murabona ko yarashonje. Reka rero ndamwereka n'uburyo twahishaga amafaranga mu masogisi.
This is the way you can save this money, because you have your socks here. So I will advise you, that's what we used to do. So I will advise you to take this money and tuck it in the socks.
You know that's right.
Like this, you see? You tuck in the socks like that.
You're right.
So no one is gonna know that you have money there. You see? And you have your money there. You see where I save it? What is it? It's here.
Right there.
Yeah.
Nobody would ever know.
Then nobody. What you gonna buy with that money?
Yeah.
Snuff? Alright, Shelly, I'm gonna leave. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow again. Stay strong, and everything can change in a minute. And pay attention, because of your hip, you're close to the hospital here. If you feel bad, go to the hospital there. Okay? Bye. Nuko rero bavandimwe, ari ikiganiro duheruka gukorana na madamu wanjye ku bintu Gitwaza Paul umuvugabutumwa yavuze, ibintu tutemeranye nabyo na gatoya, cyane cyane bitagendana n'ijambo ry'Imana. Twakoze ikiganiro igice cya mbere tuvuga ku byo yavuze, tukahita tubigereranya n'ibyo Bibiliya ivuga. Ari igice cya kabiri none, cya mbere cyavuga ku mafaranga, igice cya kabiri cyavugaga ku bintu byo kubabarira no gucira abantu imanza. Bibiliya irabivuga iki? Gitwaza umutwaro gifite. Nimba ukurikirana iyi video nawe Gitwaza, ndagukangura uzumve ukiganiro twakoranye na madamu wanjye cya mbere n'icya gatatu cya kabiri, tugereranye ibyo mwavuze n'ibyo ijambo ry'Imana rivuga, atari ibyacu. Kuko akenshi mushobora gutanga ibiganiro mugasanga murimo kuyoba abantu. nuko rero hanyuma rero tuzababwira n'ikiganiro kibakangurira gufasha abana b'imfubyi cyane cyane b'abakobwa mubakangurira mubafasha kubateza imbere biga muri siyansi. ari uwo twahiseho mu Rwanda. Muzumva ikiganiro twakoranye nawe kuri telefone. Ni ibintu bikora ku mutima cyane. Tube turi kumwe. Icyo mbasaba mukore subscribe kuri Dusangire, mwanareba kuri Dusangire, niyo Dusangire yonyine mwabona kuri YouTube. Nushakisha kuri YouTube Dusangire murabona ibiganiro dukorana na madamu. Turi kumwe rero, Uwiteka barinde. Murebe iyi video ahangaha.